What's up, my good people? Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are swell, man. And welcome back to another episode of the Kotini Korner. So now, you guys know, in fact, I did tell you guys that I will be doing the unboxing. So I finally have gotten my package from H&M and Superbalist. So I'm really excited to try these on for you guys. I won't say try them on, but show you guys, because I will be trying them on my Instagram. So please follow me and look out for the description. I will also probably do like a kid review with me on my Instagram as well. So I'm really excited to show you guys how they look, what I got. And yeah, man, so if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. My name is Joshua Dunn. I do try and drop as consistently as possible. If you guys have been a usual suspect with the subscription, as a subscriber, you will know that I have been not myself, and that I haven't been dropping as consistently as I would like. So obviously we are in a new year, and I would love to change that, and which I am planning on changing. So yeah, man, please keep a lookout for that. And man, let's get into this unboxing, man. So yeah, let's do it. So I don't actually remember what I actually got per se, but I know I did get some things. I was considering some things for winter, because I know we are getting into winter right now. So I did get like an oversized t-shirt, oversized shirts. It's almost like an oversized shirt jacket. I think Bruce call it a shacket. Yeah, shacket, yeah. And then I got some jeans. I think I got 2 pairs of like really baggy loose jeans. So, and then I got like a shirt. I think I got like a shirt and something else. I don't know if I managed to get accessories, but yeah, man, this does look really good. And like I said before, you know, like I said in my previous video, that I did say that, you know, like H&M's quality is getting a lot better, and that they are getting into that market where people are purchasing from them, like they're affordable and their quality is really good, and that's literally what you want from a brand. So yeah, man, let's get into it. Enough of that talking. So I am opening the shaggets. So this is just the shop H&M on Superbalist. It says, yeah, for your first superbalist.com purchase, get 250 Rand off. So yeah, man, please do that, guys. Go do that. So yeah, so we're gonna be opening the shackets. Ooh, so this is I chose this in the XL. They did say it was baggy, but sometimes, you know, me and sizings, they don't really do the thing. So let's actually look at this. Ooh, this looks really nice, actually. Please look at that. So it has like a corduroy collar. So this black thing is a corduroy collar, which is really nice. So let me just put it over the mic so you guys can see how lovely that looks. This is like a really nice thing for autumn, like when you're pulling into autumn. So I think this is really nice. So as you can see, this corduroy collar is really nice. So I got this in the XL, and then it's a relaxed fit, so it's gonna be nice and baggy. So let me know what you guys think about this. This is really nice, actually, and the material doesn't feel half bad at all. So yeah, I'm really excited to rock this. This is such a nice piece, actually. Well done, Joshua. And yeah, man, so let's get into the denim jacket. Let me put this here. Not the denim jacket, the denim jeans. So these are the denim jeans. So this is a regular fit stretch denim jean. So I was kind of like looking at almost like a, I wouldn't say like a dad vibe type vibe, but okay, let's say it kind of seems like a dad vibe type vibe, to be honest. But yeah, so these are like your normal washed denim. This is really nice. Ooh, this is very nice, and you can feel the stretchy material. So if you guys can see it, look at that, man. The color's like really nice, folks. If you guys can see, that color is really good. I love the color. The color's like, it works so nice. Oh my god, this is really good. This is really nice. And see, it has the relaxed fit, relaxed stretch over here. So that's really nice. Damn, I think I was kind of planning on wearing this today, actually. So these jeans, so I was gonna rock them today. So I'm really excited. I'll see if I can take some fit pictures tonight as well. So that will be the denim, and then let's get into the other stuff. So I think this is the 2 t-shirts. These are the 2 t-shirts I ordered. So, oh no, this is the cardigan I ordered. This is the cardigan I ordered. Ooh, this looks really nice. So I was kind of thinking of autumn winter, or more like these are like more like autumn pieces for me personally. I really wanted to hit that market when I was looking for my pieces. So that was my main goal. Let me not even lie. That was my main goal. I really wanted to go into autumn, into winter, you know, looking really fashionable and doing the thing. So this I also got in XL. This is the nice brown. It's like a darkish chocolate brownish cardigan, which is like really, really nice actually. Wow, this is really, really nice. Soft, so it says soft lamb's wool. Premium. It's from the H&M premium selection, by the way. And this is also an XL. So yeah, man, this is really nice as well. So I'm really impressed with this. And then we gotta look in the box and see what I got. I think these were the 2 t-shirts in the box, if I'm not mistaken. And then I'll just tell you guys how much, you know, how much everything cost, so I can tell you guys like literally how affordable H&M actually is. You know, I almost cut myself. So these were the, what else did I get? Did I not get another t-shirt? Oh, I couldn't get oh, these are the black trousers denim. So I only got 1 t-shirt. Okay, that makes sense. I thought I actually got 2 t-shirts. But yeah, so this is a oversized relaxed white tee from H&M, as you guys can see. Really, really nice material, nice and thick. So I know a lot of people do like that thick heavyweight material, which is really nice as well. So that's really in fashion as well. So I think that's also a nice material for autumn. I know summer we do try wear it, but it really make us sweat. So so it's not really the go-to. But yeah, man, I really like this, and I'm probably gonna wear this as well tonight. So yeah, so my outfit's probably gonna be that like denim, that washed denim that over there, and with the white t-shirt, and maybe throw in some white sneakers or something like that. I'll figure something out in my wardrobe. You know how I am, guys. And then the last piece was the black denims, which feels really good. So these are the loose fits. Are these also okay? So the wash denims are not the wash, but the blue old school dad jet denims are very stretchy material, and these are not stretchy. This is a loose fit. And as you guys can see, like, it's mad loose. Look how big that is. So I got this in a 36. So both of them are 36 waist and a 32 length. I try and get a 30 length because I kind of want it to fall off my pants, off my shoes, if that makes sense. But you know, a 32 length is not too bad. And the material on this it feels amazing, guys. Like I said, that's what H&M does, man. They manage to find this price points and this place and this point where it's affordable as well, and that's literally what you want as a consumer. You don't want to be spending so much money and the quality is kind of trash. So big ups to H&M. You guys really knocked it out the park with that. So let me actually tell you how much I got all of these. So I basically got 2 outfits for 2,500 rand. So these outfits consist of, this me tell you, 2 jackets, a jacket and a jersey, 2 denims, and a t-shirt. Now denims normally set you back like 800 rand, 600 rand. Now, so that's what I want you guys to take into consideration. So those 2 denims and a jacket can also set you back like, let's say 800 rand to 1,000. So the fact that you could get 2 outfits for 2,500 in today's economy at H&M is really, really good. So I think the price point is really, really good, and I think you guys should definitely check out what they have to offer on the superbalist websites and app when it comes to clothing with H&M, because H&M just allows you to bridge that market. If you're into sneakers and you're into expensive sneakers, H&M allows you to be fashionable and show off those shoes as well. So yeah, man, I think you guys should really give it a look. I'm gonna obviously get these on and style this for you if you guys haven't seen the videos, the styling videos throughout the whole conversation. But yeah, man, I can't wait to shoot content on Instagram with these outfits, because I'm really excited. I'm always excited to shoot outfits on Instagram, and like I said, guys, I'm back, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Kotini Korner. I'm Joshua Dunn. I'll be back on another episode. Peace and love.